Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm still down in my workshop. I've been scanning the band. It's now 8 o'clock, and let me show you real quick here. The gray line is just past me, and it's over this area right here, and I'm receiving, I believe, Radio Romania. No, I am sure, because I heard about 5 minutes ago they said this is Radio Romania, and it's coming in very good. Let me unmute it.
Studying the archives of the Colchester Hospital and School. She'll now be giving us details on women's contribution to that.
So I just wanted to show this to you real quick. It's another indication that shortwave listing has improved and is improving, which is good news. So I just wanted to put this out real quick. Have a great day. Bye-bye.